morning. So I haven't vlogged in a few days. It's been chaotic. Thursday I had to go down to my work, as I said, because I had to sort out my details and like all my paperwork for work because it wouldn't let me do it on my computer. I've sorted it out now, and I start Monday. So yeah, I'm doing a 12 till 8 on Monday. Excuse my spots, I'm breaking out due to stress and stuff. It's been, in the UK we've had lots of snow, so like at the moment like my back garden is covered in snow. My mum's gone to work, or she's gonna try and go to work, because it's really bad now in my area. It's like really slippery and icy and dangerous. So yeah, I asked my mum to like start my car to see if it would start, and it has. So I'm gonna do my face and then I'm gonna go out and why not focusing? I'm gonna do my face because I fancied it, and I'm gonna go and start my car. I've tidied up, so yeah. I'm thinking about moving my room around, so moving my desk underneath Harley, moving my chest of drawers here, and moving my desk, not my desk, where my new like double shelf is, here. But I don't know yet. I might do it. I don't know. I probably will end up doing it because I get bored of my room. Obviously keeping that shelf there because I'm not moving that. But yeah, I've changed the case of my Apple Watch because the one I've got is getting really dirty, so I'm gonna clean it. And I managed to cut my top palette on a little bit of ice, and it hurts. Well, it doesn't hurt, I just feel it, so I had to get a cotton bud and head out there. Yeah, it's been alright, I suppose. Should I wear this one? How the flip do I open it? There we go. I don't know if I should wear that one or that one. I don't know if I'm going to wear this one or this one. I think they're both the same. I think they're both the same colour. It's just that's a lipstick and that's a matte lipstick. I don't know. But yeah, it's been quite entertaining. I managed to get onto my site on work. So yeah, so far so good. I'm just gonna leave my hair like this today because I really can't be asked to do anything to it, but I'm gonna cover up my spots because they're looking rough. And also text my fiance because he went to work this morning. I told him to be careful because obviously we've got really bad snow where we are, so yeah. But yeah, it's been quite nice having a snow day. Mum and Lauren were outside yesterday playing with snow. Mum fell on her backside and Lauren threw a snowball right in her mouth. Well, on her face. It was quite funny. But I took some Instax, but they're not very good because obviously I tried to take a picture of the snow, but because it was so bright you can barely see it. You can barely see it. I don't know what that mark is. It might be something on the camera, it might be the photo, but yeah. I'm gonna go and do my face and I'll probably talk back to you afterwards. And this is what I'm wearing today. I'm wearing my joggers because I just can't be bothered. Hey guys, just got out of the car and de-iced my car. Oh my god, my hands are freezing and my feet are freezing as well. I'm just trying to find something to eat because I don't know what to have. Excuse the bird. Sunny's always like this at the moment. There's nothing to eat. I just guess I'll just have to have some crackers. Just put on this documentary. Apparently there's it's about crazy, it's called Cat Crazy. So my mate told me to turn it on. It's about cats. So yeah. Oh my god, I am froze. My feet are freezing, my hands are freezing. And I thought, it'd be warm. Like, I'd be warm what I'm wearing. No, I'm not, I'm cold. Oh, there's little kitties. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and go and make some lunch. Well, lunch, yeah. And I'll probably speak to you guys a bit later on when I'm not cold and chilly.
Struggling with
Salem! Hello, gorgeous. Hello, baby.
It gives you up to 40 minutes powerful cleaning and glides.
What are you doing, you little monster?
With no settings to change.
Don't go hiding, I can see you.
Big bits from the surface.
He's a boy.
And the dirt empties with a slide. Find out more at gtech.co.uk.
You gorgeous.
You've always taken care of your family. But what's going to happen when you're gone?
Salem.
With Legal and General's over 50s life insurance, you can leave your loved ones a cash sum gift or help towards funeral costs. With full cover.
Hey guys, I'm back from tidying my room and this is the finished product. So obviously my desk is here and then I've got my pants and socks and crap drawer, and then I've got my TV and all my other stuff in these drawers, well, not drawers, cubbies. And then I've got all my DVDs and like my candles at the bottom. And then on there I've got my my hair stuff, shower stuff, and my Glade. And obviously in the corner there I've got my bin, laundry basket, my chair for my desk. And obviously at the top I've got Bubba's. So yeah, it's a bit of a quick room tour. I'm gonna put on some trousers because I'm gonna go B&M and see like what drawers they have, because my chest of drawers I've now decided to break, as I said in the last clip. Sorry, I got a cheat note. So yeah. My mate just popped up to me and said, why don't you check Gumtree and Facebook Market and stuff, so I'm gonna go do that because my fiance is coming over, but he's going home to get changed before he comes over. So I've had a bit of time to like do my room and stuff before he comes. Looks a bit more spacious in here now because everything is like that side. So I've got this walkway and obviously this corner here. Obviously that corner will be sorted. I will be getting rid of my Primark uniform and my the bag full of clothes. I just don't know when. So I'm going to find some trousers to wear. I was going to wear those trousers, but those trousers are for, oh sorry, those for Monday. Find some trousers. My favourite trousers at the moment have got to be like jeggings, like jeans but leggings. But I do need to get some more trousers. That is a must because I have like hardly any. So I'm going to be putting these on. I think these are the ones with the hole. No, these aren't the ones with the hole in it, because I had ones like these, but they had like a massive hole, like a little hole. But I sewed them, but I chucked them in the end because I thought, well, there's no point in me keeping them because they're just gonna break. So yeah, I'm gonna quickly change into these trousers. Don't know what shoes I'm going to wear, but yeah, and some spare socks. Do you guys ever get that, like spare socks, and you don't know where the other pairs are? I have no clue where the other pairs are for these two. It's like the dryer eats my socks. I'm wearing, because obviously I'm wearing fluffy socks today because it's cold, so I'm going to keep my fluffy socks on and put my Pumbas on. But yeah, I'm going to go ahead and get changed, and I'll probably vlog for you when I get back because I'm getting changed. Hey guys, just come out of B&M and Home Sense. They didn't have any chest of drawers that are in my price range. So me and Tom are going to go to that Changes Lives at some point. Not today because they're closed, but we're going to go at some point. Because they do like good priced chest of drawers. So we're going to have a look on there. I mean, it's not urgent, but they are falling apart. So I will have to get some new ones soon. Currently sat in the car. Tom's going to get some food because I'm quite hungry. I didn't have a lot for lunch because we don't really have a lot. But yeah, quite busy day. I've started my car. I did the recycling and the washing. And I moved my room around. So yeah, it's been quite busy today. It's quite busy where we are at the moment. So I'm currently sat in the car. It's absolutely freezing outside. It's quite dangerous as well still. The roads are quite icy. My road is quite dangerous as well. Excuse the noise. It's ridiculous. But yeah, I just thought I'd pop up and tell you what's going on. I've got ulcer and it really hurts. But I'm gonna go and I'll speak to you later. This is currently happening. Tom's got the new, what's it called? Super Smash Bros. And he's playing as Pikachu. And he's had a hammer and a fucking drill. Which is awesome. But this is my new room. Well, it's not new room, but it's been moved around. My baby having fun? Hey? I take that as a yes. My baby having fun.
No!
So this is currently happening. Tom's on the switch. And little Salem's letting me smooth his little head. He's got a tired young man, haven't we? Yeah. Oh, Daddy disturbed you. Yeah. This baby boy. My gorgeous little man, aren't you? Okay.
No.
Hey guys, Tom just left to go home. He was playing on his Switch as I filmed earlier. Harley's covered up because he was being so loud. But I bought a few things from Asda. I spent some money today. I bought two like packets of Dr. Pepper because it's my favourite drink. 8-pack for $2.50. I bought some bras for $5.50. And then I bought these jeggings, and they were £8 each. So I bought this blue pair and I bought this black pair. I'll be trying them on in a minute. But yeah, I thought I'd pick them up because I was telling you guys this morning that I had no trousers, so I saw them on offer. It's like 2 for £8. I was like, oh my god, I'm having that. And then I bought some Oreos, strawberry cheesecake, which is the bomb, and they were like 50p each. So yeah, Tom managed to fix my chest of drawers. I don't know how he did it, but he's managed to fix it. But I'm still gonna look around for a new chest of drawers. We're gonna get, like I said, we're gonna go to this Changing Lives place where they do cheap chest of drawers that have been used but donated. So I'm going to see if I can like find any down there for a good price, but I'm not gonna do that yet. But yeah, I just thought I'd end the vlog now as I'm not doing anything. I still got a bad stomach. I'm gonna have to go to the doctors about it because I'm in agony. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's been quite entertaining today, so yeah, so don't forget to give it a big old thumbs up, and don't forget to smash that subscribe button if you're not already, and I'll see you in the next video, which will probably be on my day off from work or before or after work. I don't know, but yeah, bye guys.